My name is Don. I live in Massachusetts and I'm a physician. Having the actual owner of the company, Simon, supervise the work I needed for my boiler gave me great peace of mind. One of the things that I think is the best about high quality plumbing is his transparency in terms of pricing. And he uses the genuine parts. He doesn't use cheap material or cheap parts. One of the things I also like about high quality plumbing is his emphasis on maintenance to prevent future issues. They often use pictures to show with their invoicing and to give the homeowner an idea of what's going on even before they will fix a major issue. Another thing that I really like about high quality plumbing is their emphasis on cleaning up the work area after they complete their job, pretty much to the same way it was before. Follow-up, they also provide a service where they make sure that the service they provided actually repaired or maintained the issue as they had specified with a callback. I have, fortunately not had to have a callback yet, but it gives me great peace of mind to know if I do have an issue with that same repair or maintenance that I can always use this feature of high quality plumbing. High quality plumbing is number one in my book.